Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Swati. Today I brought you new video for you. New topic that is uh, blocks in AutoCAD. So we are going to learn first of all ready blocks, that is a furniture blocks in AutoCAD. So here you can see in this plan they have imported a bed, sofa, again here whatever WC bath related furniture. So how to import those furniture in AutoCAD? That things I'm going to explain you first, and then we will go for the whatever furniture that in it is not included in this blocks, and we are going to create it by our own. So let's see the tutorial. So here we are having shortkey for the furniture, or we can call it as a design center, DC enter. Then here you will get the uh, table like this. So where we have to search here house space planner. So just select that, drag into the screen, click, and we have to press 3 times enter, then escape. So here whatever furniture related to the house space planner that will come in AutoCAD. Next to that, here we are having House Designer DWG. That also just click and drag and then 3 times enter you have to press. So as you can see here, whatever related door, then again here shelf, staircase, here drawer, everything you will get here. Again door opening they have shown. Whatever related you can call it as a for the house planning or civil engineering purpose, whatever requirement you're having in planning, and that things will come into this block. So next to that, again here kitchen drawing. So just drag and 3 times enter you have to press. So again here you can see they have mentioned whatever kitchen related furniture like sink, stove, again here kitchen cabinet, microwave, everything, fridge. Here again we are having few accessories. So this is the ready blocks we are having in AutoCAD. So how to create blocks by using AutoCAD? That thing I'm going to explain. This is a step one, and step two. Here we have to create. Suppose you can select, consider this as a round table or chair. Again, I'll give offset for this. So you consider it as a round table. Now here I'll go for the block and create block. So here you have to search by name, or you can uh, select object. Then here we have to select like this and enter. After that, here you have to give OK. Then here it is asking name must be at least one character. So what we have to do here, we have to give name. So I'll give name it as a round table. Then give it OK. If you want description also you can enter. So whenever you will create this block, it will be remain there until you will delete that project, you will remove that drawing from AutoCAD. So here if you want for the future, you can go for the insert option, and here whatever we have imported block that will appear. Again you can search for whatever we have created, or we have customized whatever block here. So here you can see round table. Whenever you want, you can import that particular block. So suppose if I will open any other drawing, and here I want to insert that block. So you can search for that particular block. So now why it is not showing? Because we have created in this particular project round table, but this project already only by default whatever furniture I have imported, that it is showing in the blocks. and round table it is not visible. So what we have to do, we have to copy that particular block and then we have to paste for the project. So as you can see here like this. So we can bring anywhere that particular block, whatever we have created in that project. So here we have round table, we have to search. Specify intersection point it is telling. So maybe because of limits, see here two blocks has came because the limit it has changed. So like this we can insert, we can create block in AutoCAD and we can edit that for the, we can copy it for the other project as well. So select this, here you will get option edit block. In that you can select that particular name which block you want to edit. Now I want to edit the round table. Give it OK. Now here you will get the option, means you can drag it how much you want. Again you can change the scale for this. And then here you have to give close block. Save the changes to round table. Yes. Now you can see whatever changes you have done for this, it will automatically will capture for the other one. So again you can check here also. So now here it is remain constant. So if you want, again you have to go for that particular block and you can change from here. Means only for that particular project change. And now it will be remain as it is for that previous one. So I hope you have understand this concept, how to create a block, how to customize that block, how to modify, and how to import the ready block from the AutoCAD. Just we have shortcut, that is a DC enter design center. Then you can use the home space planner, house design, and again kitchen drawing. So, and again you have this landscaping related, again plant related, whichever useful that you can import and you can use for your project. So if you are new, please go back and check my all the videos related to AutoCAD Revit architecture. Again 3ds Max, Google SketchUp, V-Ray rendering, again Lumion rendering. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And please don't forget to subscribe. Share to your friends as well. Thanks for the watching.